In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a Grubhub delivery driver. Now, I've just Google searched for Grubhub driver here on my PC. You can do this on your phone as well. So just Google search for Grubhub driver and click on this first link that pops up right here. Now, once we have selected the first link, it's going to take us to the official Grubhub for drivers page, and we can read some more information here. So earning money with Grubhub is easy. You earn competitive pay or keep 100% of the tips, so on and so forth. Here are the requirements. So we have to have a car or a scooter/bike in some areas, valid driver's license and auto insurance for drivers, valid driver's license or state ID for bikers, and a smartphone with a data plan. And all drivers must be at least 18 or 21 plus in Las Vegas. No previous delivery experience is required. So here what we have to do is just scroll up, make money on your time and on your terms. We have to choose our state. So for example, here we are gonna do Kentucky, and once you choose your state, you will need to select your city as well. So we're just gonna do Winchester. Click on next, and it's going to ask us for our name, last name, email, and our phone number. So I'll just do this as an example here. Type out this phone number. Now make sure your phone number does not have a plus in front of it. We have to agree to the terms and select next. So once we have done this, it's going to submit the information and it's going to show us this application waiting. So currently our application is being reviewed, and what we want to do, we just want to scan this QR code on our phone here, and we can download the Grubhub for Drivers app, and this is going to show you the status of your application and whether you have been updated or whether you have been accepted or not. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.